Hello, we're back today. I have been talking about doing this for a while, and today is actually the day that I've been able to organize everything for you, and I'm going to be comparing two lenses today. So as always, I'm shooting with both of my cameras. I'm shooting with the Canon R6. Those are my go-tos. I love the dual card slots. Those are a lifesaver as a wedding photographer, and I don't think I could ever bring myself to go with a single card slot. This one here is the Canon, the RF lens, the 50mm 1.2, and this right here is the Canon, the Rf28-70mm 2.0. I'm going to be comparing them both at the 50mm focal length for you. I'm going to vary it so that you can see the difference between 2.0 and also wide open. So we're going to have the 2.0 on this side and we'll have 1.2 on this side. You can get a feel for it. Today we're going to be shooting indoors and you can see the difference that both lenses are going to be able to capture for you. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate Pattison. I'm a wedding and portrait photographer turned photography business coach. And today we're talking gear. Other days we're talking about photography, editing, posing, like everything you can think of in the way of business. I am here for you I'd say every week, not always every week, because sometimes life just consumes the day. But today we're talking gear. I have a model here with me today and she's going to pose for me so you're going to get a little bit of insight as to how I pose her, things I would do, and some of the settings I'll do. Okay, let's start off. Now, because I'm shooting with 50mm, I'm going to have you a little bit further. It's 50mm, for instance, it's closer up for you, okay? It's going to be zoomed in a little. So let me just dial in these a little bit. Let's get you standing in here, I think, would be kind of nice, like kind of holding the drapes. So this is 2.0, beautiful. And then look out the window for me. Yeah. And then kind of brush your hair back. Yeah. Cool. And then I'm going to get you to go, how do we want to do this? Yeah, let's do it right here. I like this, actually. Sit on the window ledge for me if you can. In the middle of a window if you can. Yes. Beautiful. I love that. Okay, so this again is 2.0. Beautiful. And then can you turn so that your face is, no, keep your body there and just your face off to the side. Oh, stunning. Can I get you to kind of hold your hand up as if you're blocking the sun? Just hand. So ideally I kind of want the, where is that sun?
The sun's like back there. I can be like this. Like,
yeah, I kind of want like the shadows on your eye if you can. Yeah. Okay, there we go. And then just close your eyes. Yep, perfect. Good. I'm going to do one more, sorry, with this one. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to come in a little closer and then just close your eye. Sorry, this one now. We're going to be going back and forth. Beautiful. Now, I would love to do one. Can I stand you right here? Because I want to get, almost just kind of like leaning. Yeah, super cute. Lean in there for me. So I want to get some different depths. So we're going to do quite a few in this location. I'm just going to adjust this exposure. That's right at 50. Just work away, kind of slight movements would be wonderful. Beautiful. So this now is shooting at 2.0, and I'm just going to switch this in one sec over to 1.2, and then you can get a feel for that bokeh. Ooh, yes, beautiful, stunning. And let's take that same one at 2.0. Bring that shutter speed down. And then we're going to do the same over here on the 28-70. Bring that shutter down so the exposure is similar there. Yes. Beautiful. Woo. Some more sun. Can you come bring the whole chair? Yeah. Let's try it. I'm so afraid of this. Let's try it. Yeah, I like that. I just want some like play on that light. Those shadows. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is now shooting at 2.0. little bit of backlit. I'm going to do the same thing. You're not going to see as much bokeh on this because we're in a studio. You got the tack sharp focus. Beautiful. So now we're going to be comparing these two lenses. This is going to be the Rf28-70mm 1.8 to the 28-70 2.0. I'm going to have this zoomed in so that the focal length is equal. And then I'm going to go back and forth with my client and we are going to capture a little bit of both. I probably won't switch this one over from the 2.0 to the 1.8 because there's not going to be that much difference in it for you, but it'll give you a feel for what we can do. We're going to do some close-ups as well as some wide angles so you can get a feel for what the background's going to look like. 2.0, there we go. Yes, so this is your 35mm 2.0. And then we're going to pop over here and we're going to do the 28mm at your 35mm focal length 2.0. I'm going to come right in. Yeah, get nice and close. And I'm going to do this one. This is the 35mm. Oh, let's pop that exposure slightly. Yes. Ooh, stunning. Let's come up here. Where's my focus? Yes, beautiful. And then we're going to pop over here. Stunning. Love it. Okay, let's do some standing ones because I like that little bit of depth there. Yes, love it. Yeah, super chill. I like that. Beautiful. So this is 35mm 2.0, the 28-70 2.0. You can go a little bit further back. Good. And then I'm going to get you, I want you to kind of play with the curtain. Kind of like pull it into you. Oh, you found it. Yes. Okay. Oh, this will be a good one for that in a minute. So I'm going to just change that exposure right down. You know what? I think let's try the hand. Let's do the hand. That would be good. Find that sun and then just have it kind of block you slightly. Yeah. Yes. Beautiful. Tip your chin just up slightly. Yeah. Lovely. Stay right there. I'm going to really underexpose this to make sure that we don't blow out those highlights, and then we can bring those up in post, which will be really good. Okay. I'm going to do a couple over this way because I really want some distance before or in front of and behind us. Let's get you, you're like kind of leaning against that pipe. So you have a little bit of curtain in front of you. Yeah. Sorry, I just got to change some of these settings over here. So 35. Yes. Beautiful. So this is the 28-70 and look out the window slightly as if you're, and then bring your hands up to your face for me. Actually, you know what? Let's do, yes, I like that. This is the 2.0. I'm going to come in close and then turn your face so you're kind of into the, yes. Look down for me. And then I'm going to come in for a nice close-up in a sec. And little smile. Beautiful. And then just one more. Yep, just hand up there. Good. Woo. Yeah. I hope this video has given you a little bit of insight into these lenses because I know when I made the switch from Nikon over to Canon and I needed to get all new gear, it was free for all. I could choose any lens that I wanted and I needed something that was going to work for everything that I'm photographing. So I was looking for comparison videos and I felt like I just couldn't find enough of what is this showing me, what is this one showing me, and really comparing those different focal lengths. So I really wanted to make sure I captured that for you today in studio. I am also going to be doing another one outdoors because indoors versus outdoors is going to show you different details, especially for bokeh, depth of field and such. So if you don't want to miss out on that, hit that subscribe button. And as soon as I have that live, you will be notified of it so you won't miss out. And as always, thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate every single one of you more than you could possibly know. And I really hope to see you next time.